What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. You see the title. So absolute fucking banger. Absolutely fucking banger. You see the title, you see what we about to go over. I'm gonna get right into it. Ain't nothing really more to say. If you watching this video, you should already subscribe, because we doing reviews like this. I don't know if the upcoming YouTubers got shit like this, but yeah, haha, I don't know. But if you're here on this channel, you're here on this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and if you're new here, comment. I respond to all my comments. Ladies, if you're watching, hit me up on Instagram, DM, and say, hey, I'm from YouTube. Let's get to know each other. I'm nice. I'm a nice guy. Hit me up. We're on our way to 1K subs. We're doing a giveaway at 1K. That's the ultimate goal right now. 300 plus, and then obviously work our way up. But as soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. You see the title. You see what we going. You see it. I don't gotta say nothing else. Let's get right into it. So off rip. I clickbaited. I lied. The Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott fragment. I lied. This is my first time clickbaiting. Yeah. I just wanted to talk about the shoe, really, because I have not mentioned it, because obviously I didn't hit. Now, I have no personal, but shout out to my boy. It's right here. Oh God, I'm holding it. I am holding it. I did not clickbait. I would never clickbait on this channel, but size 9. Shout out to my boy for hitting, and then obviously letting me do the review for you guys. Wow, this is probably the most hype sneaker on this channel. Look at that retail, 150 plus tax, 163, and it goes for thousands of dollars. Oh my lord. So let's get into all these details. Got the you know, the little plastic. They got Nike Air, Cactus Jack, the Lightning Bolt fragment, the Cactus Jack logo smiley face, Air Jordan, whole bunch of stuff. Nike Air, I don't know if I said that already, but all that is right here. Wow. I feel like the Holy Ghost just hit me. Not regular, but blue and white Jordan 1 box. Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott fragment. Right here in the flesh. Just regular swoosh. Blue right there. Wow. This is crazy. Before we get into the shoe, it does come with the pink and black paper. Yeah, pink and black, and also the other white clear. Let's put the box right there. Wow, let's get the thumbnail. What? Boom. First of all, I can see why people say the lows are better than the highs, specifically for this shoe, because it doesn't look bulky, it doesn't look like too much. It's like perfect, just the right amount. Now I would love to see the Jordan 1 highs, because I would like to compare it, but also I don't know, I might like the highs better because I like to pull my laces out, and with highs it looks better. But with lows, I can't front. This is a good low. Now, there's so much to get into. Let me just check for myself. Like I said, it's my first time really checking these out. I just want to make sure there's no really difference, so then I could just hold one shoe and show you guys really any difference. Okay. The only difference really is I really see. Let me see. Wow. You guys could just enjoy this just like I am. Okay, so that's the two difference. I'm going to show you the two difference, and then I'll just hold one shoe and then we'll go over it. So on the left shoe, we got the Fragment logo right there. You can see the Fragment right there. So that's that difference. Because on this one, it just shows the Cactus Jack logo right there in black and red. I don't know if you can see it a little bit. So that's one difference, is the tongue. And then the back is the difference, because you got the Fragment logo with the Air Jordan logo, and then you got the Travis Cactus Jack logo, and then yeah, you can see the back for yourself. See the lightning bolt for the Fragment, Jordan, and then the Cactus Jack logos. So that's the two difference in the shoe, the tongue and then the back. So what else should I go over? Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, like I said, regular black inside, and then you guys know on the outside it got the backwards swoosh. You can see this whole thing is not white, it's like a cream. It's like a beige or a cream. I like that because I'm getting tired of white, because white gets dirty too fast. But yeah, that's how it looks. This is probably the most hype beast sneaker ever on this channel, because literally this shoe is $163 or whatever for retail, and then you can sell this for $1,400, $1,000, $1,000+. Do you guys realize that? That's crazy. And then it's like white and gray, but you have to get close to see the cactus right there. And you can't even really see it. Hold on, let me see. It's right here. You can see it. It literally says in like white. I don't know if you can, but it says cactus through the thing. You can see the little spelling right there. But it says cactus right there. This is a size 9, like I said. It does come with, obviously, the cream beige laces. But additionally, they come with all three. Pink, black, and blue. So your choice. You could decide whatever you want to do. That's up to you. I know people like to do mismatch on Travis's. But, I don't know what to say. These shoes are actually nice. I do like them. Now that I have it in hand, I can judge it to say, would it be a good personal? I think because of hype, I would like these, but I ain't paying $1,000+ for these, so. Let me know what you guys think. The most hype stuff on my channel today. The Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Fragments. One final look. Inside, just got regular Nike Air. What else can you really say about these? But yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next vid. There's not much to really say. Travis Scott 1 Low. Only thing I want to know is, I can't even ask you guys if you got a W or L. Most of you guys watching got a L. I know that. Only thing I can ask you guys in the comments, let me know. Do you like these better than the highs, or would you prefer the highs as well? That's all I'm really asking. See you guys in the next vid. Hit the subscribe button. And, yeah. Hit the subscribe button and get us to 1K subs, 300+ subs. I don't know what to say about the shoe. This is too crazy. $1,000+ profit shoe. That's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next vid. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Later.